You're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we shall discuss about how you can mine the USDT in the Delta Coin mining app. Before now, the Delta Coin developing team already told us that this USDT mining will be introduced in this app. So just a few days ago, they really fulfilled what they said by launching the USDT mining in this app. Now, I'll go over to their white paper. Let us see what they have to tell us about the USDT mining before I show you how you can mine the USDT. Here is the Delta Coin white paper, and in this column of 3.11, we have the USDT dual currency mining. Okay, and it says that the USDT dual currency mining means the simultaneous mining of two digital currencies, that is the DTC and the USDT. Now, the DTC they are talking about here is the Delta coin, which already you know, which we've been mining before now, and the USDT is the new one that has just been introduced into the app. Now, someone will ask, what is the purpose of this? Now, it says here from their own white paper that its purpose is to provide miners with a certain amount of effective income in the early stages when the Delta ecosystem has not yet formed and prospered. At the same time, it also provides developers with certain financial reports to ensure that developers can continue to provide development service in the long term and ultimately realize Delta planning and vision and so on. So you can read this on your own. The link to the white paper, I'm going to drop it in the description of this video. There is something important that I want to let you know for those who may be wondering how come the mining of the USDT. Yes, from the information that I've gathered so far, I discovered that this USDT, they have programmed it such that the advertisers come into the platform and place their advert after they must have paid some certain amount of token, always in USDT. Now, this USDT, according to the plan that the Delta core team has, they are going to split this USDT to all miners, that is we, I and you. They are going to split it. They will share it between the community and also to the developers team. Now, if you take a look here, it says that let's see what it says here. Okay, it says here that the principle is to use the large user base of the Delta community to monetize traffic and provide multiple benefits to advertisers, that is those people that place advert on the platform, then the Delta core developers, that is the Delta core team themselves, those people that are developing the app, and also the miners, that is we, me, and you. All right, that is we, the community. So whatever that will be paid by the advertisers for placing their advert on the Delta mining app, that amount that is paid for the advert will be split amongst or between the community and the developers, while the advertiser enjoys the community watching their ads that has been placed on the platform. So that is how it really works. And you have to note that it is not going to last for a very long time, as they say that it is just for the early stage, and we are at the early stage now. Okay, so it may likely mean that in subsequent time they are going to stop maybe distributing to community, or I don't really know, but the time is limited for the claiming of these USDT in the app. So to start mining the USDT, first of all, you will have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Okay, then once you update your app and do the necessary settings, that is, you log into your new account, you are going to see these options displayed here, the ad and the USDT. So we are interested in the USDT, so just click on that USDT. Now this will bring you to the USDT mining page. Now actually what we are mining here is the USCT, as you can see it. So it is this USCT that will be converted to USDT. All right, because being in USCT, it is not let's say it is just like points. Then at the end of the day, when maybe their time elapsed, the time that they have given elapsed, it is going to be converted to USDT. Now, as you can see here, I have a pending balance of 4,592. Actually, you should know that this is not USDT. All right. So once the pending balance is verified, okay, now it is going to be displayed here, the actual balance that has been given to me, and my total earnings will be displayed here. What I'm showing you on the screen is the same way it appears in everybody's phone, all right, or in your app. Then the withdraw section is when maybe once you reach to a certain number of points, maybe you'll be eligible to withdraw, then it will be displayed here in the withdraw section. Or maybe if you want to withdraw, you just tap on the withdraw button to withdraw. Okay, now for the valid USCT, probably the ones that has been confirmed that you have earned in the system, it will be showed here. You are going to see it here, the valid USCT records. Okay, this is just to give you an overview of what the those icons on the screen is all about. Now, how do you mine this USDT or USCT, so to say? We have 3 ads that are given every 8 hours. Okay, now it is located in this section. As you can see here, we have 3 number here. What this 3 means is that we have 3 ads. 3 ads has been given to me currently at this point in time. Okay, now to mine it, you have to watch the ads that has been put in this platform. All right, and how do you watch that ad? You come over here and hit on this button. Once you hit on that button, the ad will be displayed, and it is just like it is a video ad which you need to watch, or maybe some kind of animation that you need to watch. All right, then after watching it, you will come over here. You are going to see your rewards. As you can see, these are the rewards that I have earned so far. Okay, and these are their respective dates, these are the amounts, then this is the status. As you can see, it's still pending. Advertiser is the AGG ad, then this is the summary of the ad reward. So that is how it is. Now to mine, let us click on this button here. Then you wait for some seconds for it to load, after which it is going to play a video for us. Now, as you can see, this is the ad. It is currently running. So you will have to watch this ad, wait for it till the end before you can claim your reward. Once you are done watching, the reward is actually added automatically. You don't need to click any button. Once you are done watching the ad, the system will automatically add it up to your balance. Okay, so we go back now. So go ahead and click on the close button. Let's see if this ad has. Okay, now as you can see, I have just watched 1 ad and I have 2 left. Okay, so I will need to watch another one. So I will come here and click on this button. So this is just how to do it. There is no stress about it. Just watch the ad. You don't even need to maybe watch it. You can just click on it and play the video. Then once it's done, it will be accumulated to you. You don't need to be watching. You can just randomly, click and, playfully just do it. It is just like fun. All right. Okay, so you wait for the ad to complete, and once it's done, you go back again. I am done watching this one, so I'll just click on the close button. That is this star at the top right hand corner. I'll wait for some seconds. It's going to come up again. I'll click on it. This is the star I'm talking about. That is this very one. You click on it to go back. Now, as you can see, I have watched the first and the second one. I just still have 1 left. So go ahead to complete it and just click on this button here. All right, display button. Then to watch the 3rd ad. Okay, now the first and second ad, they are the same. Now this is just a different one. In your own case, it may be a different ad depending on the one they wish to, maybe the system displays in your account. So just give it some seconds. As you can see, I am done watching the ad. Click on the close button, then hold on for some minutes or seconds. Click on the close button again. Now it is done. As you can see, there is nothing that I have left here. Okay, this is 0. All right, so even if I click this, there will be no ad that will be displayed. Now let me give it a trial. If I click on it, let's see, it says time is not up yet. Now they have given time. There is a stipulated time when this ad will be reloaded, and you have to come back and watch it again. Now this ad, it comes up every 8 hours. So in a day, you can watch 2 sets of ad. Okay, 3 for each set. All right, so in the next 8 hours, as you can see, this is the countdown time. In the next 8 hours, you come back here and you watch the ads again. All right, now today, this is what I have earned for today. Now this is just what I did that earned me the reward. As you can see, today is 19th. Okay, so these are the rewards that I have earned for today for watching those ads. As you can see, the status is still pending, and here you see ad rewards. All right, so the more you watch these ads, the more you are going to be getting the points, the USCT. which later will be converted to USDT. So it is just very simple. That is just how to do the mining. It is not something that is difficult. So before I bring this video to an end, there is something very, very important which I want to let you know. And what is that? Now come over to this section, click on this arrow. Now, this will give you the details about this USCT mining. Now, the first paragraph here says that USDT is a globally popular US dollar stablecoin which can be easily converted into sovereign currencies of various countries on the world's mainstream cryptocurrency exchanges. Yes, we know about this. This is not my point of interest. Now, number 2 is where I want to talk on. Now, it says that USCT is a temporary measurement value of USCT mining income. The full name is USD credit. So what we are mining now is the USCT, which means USD credit, not the USDT for now. So pay attention. And finally, it can be, this is where I'm reading, it can be converted into USDT according to the actual settlement quota and distribution rules of the advertising platform and in corresponding proportion. Remember, I made mention of this at the early part of this video, where I told you that the USCT is just like points or like credits, just as it has been said here, which later can be converted to USDT. Okay, now, how do we know what we are going to get at the end of the day? Now, if I scroll up, let me scroll up a bit. Now, let's pay attention to the distribution pattern, okay, so that you understand and know what you should expect at the end. It says that the distribution rules are designed so that 40% of the total income will be used as developer technical service commissions, and the remaining 60% will be used as community absenteeism reward. Yes, this is the distribution ratio, ladies and gentlemen. The 40% of the total earning from the advert that has been placed on this platform will go to the developing team, and the 60% will come to we, the community members. Okay, so we are going to be sharing or taking part in the distribution of the 60% of the total amount that has been earned from the adverts that have been placed on this platform, and this share is going to be in the ratio 6:3:1. That is 60% for absenteeism reward, maybe 30% to be allocated to the superior recommender, and 10% is allocated to second level recommender. Now, let me explain. What this means is that out of these 60% that will be given to us, 30% of it will be from maybe your first level referrals. That is, if Mr. A refers Mr. B, what you are going to get, what Mr. A is going to get from Mr. B is 30%. And what Mr. A is going to get from Mr. C is referred by Mr. B. So what he's going to get for Mr. C is 10%. So that is how the system works. Ratio 6:3:1. So what this means is that those who refer, they are going to earn more. Okay, so the more you refer, the more you are going to earn. Okay, and also remember, whether you refer or not, you are still going to get your primary reward for watching the ads. Okay, maybe if you are just a single or maybe a solo miner, yours will be given to you as a solo miner. Those who are referred will be given their referral reward. So that is how the system works. That is how the distribution is going to take place. Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, the population of the Delta coin miners has hit 300,000, and as you can see here, we have 301,870, and this has brought our base mining to a reduction rate of 4 Delta coin per day. As you can see, this is the graph that shows the population against the Delta coin to be mined per day for all miners. Okay, so as you can see here, when we are at maybe less than 3,000, they were mining 32. At less than 30,000, they were mining 16. At less than 300,000, okay, which is the current level where we are, the base rate mining is 4. Okay, now as the population increases, so the mining rate is going to decrease. That is just how this works. Okay, so this is the time and the best opportunity that you have to earn as much as you can before the next mining. Okay, the population is increasing rapidly on daily basis, so make sure that you mine, you remain active, you mine daily. Make sure you log into your account while you mine the Delta coin, that is the DTC. You make sure that you also mine the USCT. Okay, keep your account active, do not be dormant. Okay, now also note that the security circle is very, very important. When you click on this icon, make sure that you have added to your security circle. It is very, very important. I believe by now everybody have done that. Now there is a challenge or a problem that I discovered recently that many persons have. Some persons, they logged out of their account and they are finding it difficult to log in because they have not added to their security circle. If you have been following me in my updates in this channel, you will know that I have talked about the security circle on different occasions. Okay, so for those who have lost their accounts, or maybe for those who have not been able to log in, probably because they have not added their security circle, I am still making research on that to know what to do on how to recover the account. All right, some persons say that you can use the default code 0000, that's 0 into 6 places, to gain back your account. I don't really know how, if that is true or not. Okay, now the developers team, there has not been a way of contacting them directly for now, because they have not gotten any official Twitter handle, maybe any social media handle. All right, any of the social media handle you see out there, including mine, are just promoters, not the real Delta coin social media handle. Of course, you know, it is not a red flag. It is not a red flag because during the time of Pi, that was how it started. People were the one creating social media handles for promoting the project, before later on the Pi team themselves, they had to create their own social media handles. Okay, so just be patient for those who have not been able to log into their accounts. I'll definitely find a solution to that, and I'm going to give you updates in this channel. Please, you make sure that you follow me, join my WhatsApp channel and my Telegram group. I'm going to be dropping updates daily about these project. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Remember, if you have not subscribed, make sure to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon so that once I drop videos or updates in this channel, YouTube will notify you. Okay, thank you very much. I hope to see you in my next video.